With the cold weather finally hitting us, I've noticed a lot more, illnesses recently, flu and SARS and everything else in between. So I'm going to give you an old fashioned to kind of help soothe those aches. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today I'm going to kind of give you a medicine ball. I'm going to call it Doc's Medicine Ball Old Fashioned. Now, this is just something kind of to soothe you if you're having any of those illnesses. It is not a cure. It is not something that will fix it, but it may be something to help you feel a little bit better as you're going through that illness, right? Medical disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not medical advice. It is not a substitute for professional diagnosis or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional with any health concerns. So let's just start making this one. Now, my wife actually helped me come up with this idea. So my daughter was recently sick and working, and somebody was actually super nice and brought her what they called a medicine ball from Starbucks. And I was very curious, what is in that? And it got me thinking, why not make a medicine ball old-fashioned? There's something to kind of soothe that stuff, right? So we're going to start off and make it in a glass. Now, this is not going to be your typical cold old-fashioned. It's actually going to be a hot one. So you want to make sure you use the best ingredients you can. And one thing that's really known to help, soothe you and, just known for its health properties is this Manuka honey. It's considered one of the purest and best honeys. It's premium. So you do want to have some of this in there, right? Now this honey is pretty thick and you want to use a good bar spoonful. Now this is very rich and has a lot of flavor to it. So a bar spoonful is more than enough. And I'm going to put that in here first because I want the other stuff to help dissolve it. Now I'm going to go and eat this because I don't want this to go to waste. Very, very good honey. All right, we're going to put this off to the side right now. And next is actually going to be a bitters. Use any bitters you have, but I actually have this one. Now I got this a few years back when I was in, I want to say London. And it's the original Dr. Harris and Company. So it's one of the oldest pharmacies in London. At that time, my daughter was in pharmacy school. So this was a few years back. So she wanted to go check out the oldest pharmacy out there. And they carry this. And it's called Dr. Harris and Company Pick Me Up All Natural Cocktail Bitters. I never made a drink with it, but today I think is the perfect time for that. I think it's funny that I got this in a pharmacy. Yep. All right. So let's put a few dashes in here. 1, 2 dashes. Actually smells really good. As I mentioned, this is not going to be your typical cold old fashioned. You're actually going to be using a hot tea. This is the tea that you use in that medical ball. And this is what it is. A mint and a chamomile that go all together. And you're going to go and put just a good amount in here. I'm going to use about half of the amount I have in here. And I might have to add more, we'll see. But you want it nice and hot and concentrated. So you want this to shine through with this as well. Now, I don't want it to overtake my whiskey, but I do want it to highlight it and add some flavoring. All right, we might have to add a little bit more, we'll see. Next, I want to use this one, New Era. I'm using this one because it says health scare over. Not quite over, but it says health scare on it. Let's hear that pop. It's actually a pretty good pour, and I'm going to use 2 ounces, so 1.5, 2 ounces in there. Now, use any that you have, any that you enjoy. I suggest a little bit of a higher proof because we are watering this down a bit with the tea. We're not done yet. We need to add a little bit of lemon to this. Now, I know a lot of times when you add lemon, you say it's no longer an old fashioned. Remember, this is a medical ball old fashioned, so we're going to add a little bit of this. Let me take some of these seeds off the edge that are going to come in here and just good squeeze in here. Just to kind of help make it a little bit more acidic. All right, let's stir that up a little bit more. And now the last thing is just going to be a little bit of lemon oils over the top. Squeeze that over the top. Wipe that outside and the inside and kind of just toss that to the side. We don't want to put that in here. So there you go, Doc's Medicine Ball Old Fashioned. Honestly, that's a pretty damn good old fashioned. I really like it. I like it's nice, warm, soothing. I'm already getting the hug down. There's a lot of flavor in this. And so you taste that, you taste the whiskey, you taste a little bit of that bitters, you taste the tea, and then the lemon kind of comes in through the end there. Ooh, really good. I definitely could sit there as I know as I'm sniffling along and just kind of sniffing it. that mint kind of comes through, so you kind of have that nice mint. So honestly, thinking about that with the mint, maybe a rye. If you have a rye, use rye with it. Highlight those mint flavors in that rye. So just a thought. All right, my friends. I hope you guys all stay healthy out there. But if for some reason you get some sniffles or anything, try Doc's Medical Ball Old Fashioned. Thanks for joining me on another journey down my old fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.